Welcome to Second Sunrise and to our nightly series, Silver Moon Stories. Here, each evening, we share calm tales to help you unwind, reflect, and rest deeply. Every sound and every word you'll hear is crafted to slow your breathing and guide your mind gently toward peace. So find a comfortable place to rest. Let your body soften and allow the quiet to meet you where you are. Tonight's Silver Moon sleep story is called A Cozy Night Porch in the Rain. A quiet porch, a warm light, and the steady sound of rain to carry you into rest. If you're awake tonight and the day still feels close to your skin, you don't have to fight your way into sleep. You don't have to earn rest. Just come with me for a while, somewhere simple, somewhere steady. Imagine a quiet house behind you, the kind of quiet that means the hard parts of the day are done. The lights inside are low, or maybe they're already off. The rooms have settled and you're stepping out onto a porch. Not a perfect porch, not a staged porch, a real one, familiar, lived in, the kind that has held 100 ordinary evenings. There is a warm porch light above you, soft and amber, not harsh. It makes a small pool of light around the doorway, like an anchor, a light that doesn't demand anything. A light that simply stays on. You are safe here. You take one slow step and then another until you're standing in that warm circle of light. And there is a chair waiting for you, a comfortable chair. The kind that understands the shape of a grown-up body. Not stiff, not fussy, just steady. You sit down gently, letting the chair take your weight. And when you settle back, you feel it. A small release right at the shoulders, a softening, as if your body has been waiting all day for permission to let go. Now there's a light blanket on your lap. It's the perfect weight. Enough to feel held, not enough to feel trapped. You let your hands rest where they want to rest, palms open, fingers loose. You don't have to hold anything right now. Not the day, not your phone, not the next decision. not the next worry. Just sit. Just be. Far away, you can hear a low, distant rumble of thunder. Not sharp, not close, nothing urgent. Just the sky speaking softly to itself. And you don't have to do anything about it. Let your feet find a comfortable place. Maybe both feet are flat on the porch boards. Maybe one ankle rests over the other. However your body chooses, let it be enough. You can feel the porch beneath you. Solid, steady, unmoving. This porch is not going anywhere. And for a moment, neither are you. Take a slow breath in. Not deep, not forced, just gentle. And as you breathe out, let your jaw soften. Let your tongue rest. Let the space between your eyebrows widen. You've held so much of yourself together today. You can stop now. You might notice the air. It's warm, but not hot. It has that feeling that comes before rain, as if the night is preparing itself. There is a faint scent in it too. Dry earth beginning to wake up. Leaves waiting. That quiet promise that everything will soon be rinsed clean. Somewhere in the distance, a car passes and the sound fades away until it's gone. And the night returns to stillness. You don't need to listen for anything else. The porch light keeps watch. The house behind you is steady. And you can rest. Now, very slowly, without moving too much, you notice the chair beneath your hands. The armrests are wood, and the wood is smooth, worn in just the right places from years of hands resting there. Maybe there's a spot where the finish has softened, not damaged, not broken, just familiar. That gentle kind of warn that tells the truth. Life has been lived here. You let your fingers rest on that smooth patch, and your hands, the hands that have carried groceries and laundry baskets and bags and responsibilities. Those hands can be quiet now. They don't have to reach for anything. They don't have to fix anything. They can simply be warm and still. To one side, you notice a small table. Not fancy. Maybe a cup sits there, empty or half full. Maybe it's just there because it always has been. The table doesn't ask anything of you. It's just part of the porch. There might be a potted plant nearby, basil or jasmine or something green that's survived on simple care. You don't have to name it. You only have to notice that it exists and that it's quiet. The leaves barely move. The soil is dry for the moment, but it won't stay that way. You look out beyond the porch. A neighbor's window is lit for a while. A small rectangle of light, and then, slowly, it goes dark. Another light farther away turns off. One by one, the neighborhood lets go of the day. No announcement, no drama, just turning off the lights, choosing sleep. And you can choose that too. You've sat in places like this before. Maybe when the children were small and you needed 5 quiet minutes. Maybe when the house was too loud and the porch gave you a little space to breathe. Maybe when you were younger and the night felt endless and the future felt large. Or maybe this kind of porch is newer to you, something you've started to appreciate more with time. Either way, your body recognizes this. This is not a place for performing. This is not a place for proving. this is a place where you can be a person again, not a role. Not the one who keeps everything steady. Not the one who remembers what everyone needs. Just you. And if worries try to arrive with you, that's all right. Worries are predictable. They like to follow us. But you don't have to carry them in your arms tonight. You can set them down right here on the porch rail, just for the night, not forever, just for now. Whatever you've been holding, family worries, health worries, money worries, the worry of being needed, the worry of not being needed. You don't have to solve any of it tonight. You are allowed to rest before you decide what comes next. The porch light stays on. The chair holds you. The night is wide, and the rain is coming. Now you notice a small change in the air. A gentle coolness moves across your skin. Not cold, just a soft shift. A breeze that feels like relief. It brushes your arms, your cheeks, your hairline, and then passes. Above you, the sky changes slowly. Clouds drift in front of the moon. The darkness deepens. Not in a frightening way, in a comforting way, like a room being dimmed for sleep. Another low roll of thunder far away. A deep drum. Nothing sharp, nothing demanding. Just the sky reminding you that it's alive. And then a single raindrop lands, maybe on the porch railing, maybe on a leaf. A tiny sound, a light tap, and then another. A slow beginning. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to listen hard. The rain can do its own work. If your mind tries to pick up speed right now, if it tries to make lists or revisit conversations or plan tomorrow, let it. And then let it pass. Thoughts can move like clouds. They can drift through. They don't have to stay. You don't have to chase them. You don't have to argue with them. You can let them float on beyond the porch light into the dark. You are safe here, and nothing is required of you now. The rain begins to settle in. Not heavy, not loud, just steady. It taps softly on the roof above the porch. A gentle rhythm. It lands on the steps, on the ground, on the leaves in the yard, and each plant receives it quietly, exactly what it needs. No struggle, no explanation, just receiving. The sound of rain is one of the oldest comforts because it does the listening for you. It does the watching. It fills the spaces so you don't have to. Let your eyelids grow heavier. You don't have to force them closed. Just let them drift as if they're remembering how. Your shoulders sink again, a little more. Your hands soften again, a little more. The muscles around your mouth loosen. And your breathing becomes quiet. In and out. In and out. If you're still holding something in your chest, some tightness, some alertness, some leftover day. Imagine setting it down gently, not throwing it away, not fighting it, just placing it on the porch rail, like a small object you can pick up tomorrow if you need to. But not tonight. Tonight you rest. The rain can fall all night, and you don't have to stay awake with it. Let the rain do the watching. You can close your eyes. And if you wake again later, that will be all right too. This story isn't here to scold you. It's here to keep you company. To remind you you are safe, even in the middle of the night. Even when sleep comes slowly. Somewhere out there, the neighborhood has gone quiet. The porch light remains. The chair remains. The rain remains. And you can let yourself drift. Very softly now. You are safe on this porch. You can rest now. Nothing needs you. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is waiting for you to be perfect. Only the rain. Only the warm light. Only the steady chair beneath you. Let your breathing become small. Let your thoughts become distant. Let the night carry what you don't need to carry. And when morning comes, it will come gently. A second sunrise. not a demand, just a light returning. But you don't have to go there yet for now. If you're still holding something in your chest, some tightness, some alertness, some leftover day. Imagine setting it down gently. Not throwing it away. Not fighting it. Just placing it on the porch rail. Like a small object you can pick up tomorrow if you need to. But not tonight. Tonight you rest. The rain can fall all night. And you don't have to stay awake with it. Let the rain do the watching. You can close your eyes. You are safe on this porch. You can rest now. Nothing needs you. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is waiting for you to be perfect. Only the rain. only the warm light. Only the steady chair beneath you. Let your breathing become small. Let your thoughts become distant. Let the night carry what you don't need to carry. You can rest now. Nothing needs you. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is waiting for you to be perfect. Only the steady chair beneath you